Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm uploading a new video. This is regarding a TMDL view in Power BI. So if you are a Power BI user who tired of endlessly copying and pasting some DAX measures or struggling with version control, so you're going to love this. With TMDL update in Power BI since January 2025, it brought us a lot of new things into Power BI. So with the help of TMDL View, which is Tabular Modular Definition Language, we have control over a lot of things. So you'll go to know about that in a few minutes. So in this video, basically, I'm going to show you how to master TMDL View in Power BI. And trust me, it's total game changer for anyone working with semantic models and DAX. So what is TMDL? So TMDL stands for, as I told you, tabular model definition language. It's a new text-based representation of the semantic model. Meaning, have you ever wondered that how DAX looks like, what happens inside DAX when it is inside some component, how it looks? So TMDL will give us rights to view every script of what we write, it as a data model or anything else. You'll get to see the whole code in the form of TMDL view. January 2025 update to Power BI Desktop introduced a TMDL view. So you get to access model as editable folder and file. There are a lot of use cases involved in TMDL view. In this video, I'll be covering the most beneficial use case where you'll save a lot of efforts and time as well. So let's move to Power BI Desktop and enable the TMDL view. To enable TMDL view, just need to go to options and setting, then option, go to preview feature. So guys, make sure you have a latest Power BI Desktop. Here you'll get the option for TMDL view. Just check that, click on OK. And obviously after that you have to restart the Power BI Desktop. So let's restart that. So let's open the Power BI Desktop now. So guys, as you can see, we have a TMDL view over here. So it looks like this. So let's import the data. My data will be a CSV format. So guys, this is dummy sales data having 1 million of rows. Let's rename it so that it looks good. So I have a data. This is dummy data, guys, with a lot of columns like region, country, item. So just understand, if we have a lot of data, this is 1 million of data. Let's make it 2 million and see what happens. So I'll duplicate this. I'll append sales to, and will. So basically we have 2 millions of data. So we have 2 millions of data. And now just try to understand, if we apply a lot of transformations over here. So let's suppose I'll detect the data type comes as a new transformation. I'll concatenate these two columns, region and country. I'll merge the columns. Let's give it a name, region and country. So you can see the new column. You can see the new transformation added. And if I suppose I want to do any kind of transformation to make this as a whole number, right? To add a custom column. Oh. country code. Let's suppose it will be 25 for every. It's just a dummy data, guys. So you can see we have added a column, then we'll transform this to whole number. So basically what I wanted to tell you that I have applied a lot of transformations, right? So when I load them, let's see how much time it takes to load into Power BI. Let's close and apply. So see how much time it's taking. It's 2 millions of data. So basically it took around 2 minutes of time to load whole data with transformations, right? So what if I tell you that you can eliminate this time to zero? I mean, apply whatever the transformation you want to apply, there will be no time for loading, right? So that's where TMDL comes in a picture where it saves a lot of time. So here I've shown you a less complicated transformation, right? Only 4 or 5 of them. But in a real-time scenario, when you work, there might be a lot of transformation involved, a lot of complicated transformation as well. And if you have a huge data, then time might be more and more. So to avoid a Power Query to Power Pivot loading time when transformation is done, here's a trick, or we can say a feature of TMDL, which is exposed now. You apply whatever transformation you want to apply over here in Power Query, then go to the advanced editor, copy the whole code, and just remove the transformation you have applied. So I'm removing each and every transformation I have applied. We have advanced editor code, right? This is a code we'll want. So temporarily save that code somewhere in Notepad. Then just go to TMDL View, and you can see the table over here, and script tab, just drag the table into this view. So you can see the TMDL code, right? You can see table, cells, columns. So whatever transformation automatically applied by Power BI, you can see here lineage tag summarized by, so it is summarized by none originally, right? You create any DAX or calculated column, then you'll also get information over here. So you can change its name from here, okay? But the base thing we are going to do today is saving a lot of time, which is very necessary thing to do. So, so we have to kind of search the Power Query code, M code, right? So this is M code. It starts with partition cells mode. You can see it is similar to an advanced editor code, M code. These are M code, right? So what we just have to do is copy this entire code, delete this code, and paste here. You have to format it right. So you can see there's no error. So just everything's done. Just need to apply. You can preview as well. So just need to press apply and wait. So changes applied to the model, right? You can see, and changes applied to a model in no time. So let's cross check if we have list of transformation we had done before loading. So go to home, transform data, and you can see our advanced editor code is similar to what we have copied. Last is change type 3. You can see change type 3. So we have transformed without indulging into loading time, which was of 2 time, and it might be more when you work with real time data. A real time data might be of 10 millions, 15 million, sometime it reaches to 20 millions, right? So you don't need to apply transformation and get involved in loading time. Just apply this trick. So TMDL view gives us a very good feature which saves a lot of time. So this is not only a view, this is more than just a new view. It's the feature of scalability, maintainable Power BI development, guys, right? So you can yourself imagine a lot of time has been saved just to apply this little trick. This also makes our workflow smarter, faster, and much easier to version control. We'll come to that point where I'll be telling you to implement version controlling over two separate semantic models. Meaning, if you're working with a semantic model of two designs, so you'll be always make changes into a semantic model and then to another one. So we'll eliminate that one too, which is magical, and it's good to know about it. Great addition by developers of Power BI. Thank you for that. So if you have any question regarding any of Power BI thing, you can ask in comment below. So guys, if this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. I'll be diving deeper into TMDL use case more. So be in touch. Thank you.